shock. This feels so soft. I just put it in my hair. I had to change my whole video, and I think I'm gonna make it just about this. Like, this stuff ain't no joke. Wow. Wow. Like, wow. I can't wait till this wash day is complete. So watch this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love using Dr.Teals. It really relaxes you guys, and it's healthier for your skin. So if I'm not taking a bath, I still use it for a shower. Gotta do a shampoo using Shea moisturizer, extra strength, y'all. Extra strength castor oil, black castor oil with a little bit of apple cider, it says in there. But I like this because it's not too harsh and too strong in my hair, and it actually gets my hair clean, and it doesn't strip all the natural oils from my hair. And that's for girls with curly hair and not really oily hair. Sometimes, you know, this is a little bit on the pricey end, but you got to do the Olaplex 5. This one is actually the bonding one that they keep talking about, the hype. And I believe the hype, but I didn't feel it when I put in the product, but I feel it later on as my curls are lasting, you know, throughout the week. And then I use the Olaplex 3 for repair and strengthen. Really don't use those together, but maybe today. You know, you got your demi brushes on deck. So I never talk about my jewelry, but I do make jewelry, you guys. This is your little blue opal, 14 karat gold. You guys can hit me up on my Instagram. There, that's my jewelry Instagram. In an old school vintage swimsuit that used to belong to my mother. Okay, enough said. Let's take this scrunchie off. You all seen enough, heard enough. You know the products I'm gonna be using. And now let's these curls make them look fly. All right, so now I got my hair completely drenched with water. I'm going to apply my favorite shampoo, you guys, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. You get it for probably around $10 to $12 at Target. I apply it directly on my scalp, you guys. This does not strip the natural oils out of your hair. Is definitely for somebody that has curly hair, but it definitely keeps your hair nice and clean. Use this Olaplex 5, you guys. This is the bonding. This is the one that everybody is saying rah about. This is the shampoo and conditioner. I just apply this midway on my hair after I rinsed out the Shea moisturizer. I apply this one in my hair, and it just makes my hair a little bit more stronger, and makes my curly hair styles last longer too. So as I apply this in my hair, I'm going to get a shower cap, as you see here, or a plastic bag from the grocery store. Before I put that on, I'm going to smash this fresh banana, you guys, and apply it on my ends. This banana is so great for natural protein for your hair, for your ends, you guys, to really help those split ends, or if you just have dry break hair. I'm not going to apply it all over my hair because this will definitely be a long wash day to rinse out. Dr.Teals, you guys, it's a must use. It's time to go organic or bath bubble soap. That's what this is, and I just scrub it all over my legs and my body. All right, now it's time to rinse out this Olaplex 5. I left it in there long enough. Hopefully my hair is still moist underneath. Yes, that's what you want. You want to make sure it doesn't dry completely and your hair is still moist, and the fresh bananas on the ends. I didn't want to put it throughout my hair because it's really hard to get out. So I was like, I'll just do my ends. But it feels really soft. I don't know if it's really going to define my curl, but it definitely helps the frizz. So let me go ahead and rinse this with room temperature water. You should always use a brush like this. Oh, these brushes work so good in the shower. Like it just slips right through, and so you get less breakage. You know what I mean? It works. And the water really helps it. All right, so I just want to show you guys close up before I put the next product in, just how that Olaplex 5 worked for my hair. You see that? Just, and that little bit of banana helped the dried ends and helped my split ends. Feels really soft. And next we are going to try this patent conditioner. So okay, this patent, you guys, so it's saying that it's a leave-in conditioner. The one I bought, it defines your curls curls and it brings back moisture to your curls. So let's see if this is legit, because it has all the good stuff that I like. I mean, you know, no parabens, no SLS, no, you know, no no color, you know, it's all that good stuff. It's that vegan stuff. It smells like conditioner. Doesn't have like the organic smell, but it's okay. Actually, it smells like eucalyptus, very much like my Dr.Teals. Let's show you how thick it is. It's very creamy. Well, let's find out. I like, y'all. Dang, I feel the difference. Like, wow, I really feel the difference. It's almost very similar to the kinky curly knots today. It's just that one is just a little bit runnier. It's not as thick, but I feel it, sis. I already know this is gonna be a good wash day, because wow, for real. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. I think my hair needs a lot of it. Just summertime, you know? You know what I mean? Let's get it. Let's get it. Whoa. Yes. I'm doing the back here because this is where it gets dry the most, and this is where my curls are really tight at. This is where it gets matted up at. So, and gotta get those edges. Yes. Wow. I feel it is super, like my hand is just gliding through it. I know it's coating my hair. I can feel that difference of the coating of it. I'm just gonna do a video all by itself about this, because damn, I'm surprised nobody's really talking about it like that on YouTube. But this, yes, this, my hair loves this stuff. I can really feel the difference with this conditioner already. And my hair is like dry so fast. You see, it's like semi-damp, so it's not completely wet, because I really don't, I like conditioners that are really thick, so I didn't want to make it too runny and mix it with too much water. So that's why the shower's not on. I just really want to make for sure. So far, sis, I'm giving this an A+. And that's hard for me to give something an A+. Shit. Excuse me, I had the hiccups. But wow. 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 Look at my length, y'all. It's definitely growing. So what I'm doing is working, like, for real. I like this. Like, I like it so much. I'm gonna have to do another video separate, just using only this, and show you guys the difference, like, for real. This video is not sponsored. I just was really shocked when I put this in my hair. Like, I heard a little bit about it, you know, but I had no idea it was this good. Like, it is good. Like, it's worth the money, and it's good. I'm about to go online right now and purchase a lot more. Bad. Wow. Those curls just lock up, just absorbing all the moisture. Love these results, you guys. I was very, very, very shocked to use this. Yes. So hit that subscribe button right there, you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video.